Hello, this is Andy883 and welcome to another unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox this product. It is a Le Creuset expensive kettle. It's made in France. Fabrique in France. I think it is a quality product. It is a casserole with font signature. Yes, it was rather expensive. How much did it cost in kronas? 600 kronas? 1,600 kronas?
It was on sale.
Yes, so it cost
900.
900 kronas.
So $90.
Yeah, approximately $90. So I hope this will make a lot of different types of food without making aftertaste and ruining it. Let's zoom in here, if you don't mind. And then we remove this. Ooh, oh! Look at that! Look at that! Would you? And it's heavy! And it's heavy! It's really heavy! Do people understand that it's a parody? It's but you should feel it. It's really heavy. It's really heavy. Feel. I'll take the camera.
I know because I carried it home.
Okay. And look here. Look here. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's amazing. Oh, that's amazing. Ooh, it's really heavy. It's really heavy. And look at the color. Look at the color.
Yeah, but if you think about it, it's actually black and red, your favorite colors, because it's kind of black. Like it's fading, so it's not like...
It's gradient. It's a
gradient. So it's darker red and then a red.
It's really nice. And I think it's quality. I hope it's quality.
So this one is the 1.5 liter one. Yeah.
You can boil a good soup in this one. You boil a good soup, and it's heavy, so it's like you won't
fall
sturdy.
off.
Yeah, sturdy. It won't fall off. Yeah, I rate this product 10 out of 10.
Because it's red, and you got it on sale.
Because I got it on sale, and I hope it's quality. Of course, the chef has to decide after 1 year of use, right? But look, oh my god, it's more! It's more! It's a pamphlet! Oh, seriously, what is this?
It's an ad to make you buy more.
Yeah, a little bit, but I think it's slightly more than that now. Cooking with cast iron. Food and storage and marinating. Before first use, removal packaging. Guarantee. Yeah. And it's in Chinese too, just in case. Okay. Well, next time we're gonna unbox some more. Bye bye.